Today is not a day to talk about APC. Today is a day to join the people of Benue State in thanking God for His mercies. Today is the day we should be able, frankly, to tell our national chairman what the people of the People Democratic Party expect from him and how we are going to stand by him to make sure this party is rebuilt in order to put themselves together and to take over power in 2023. Let me say clearly, each time a Catholic bishop preaches, I'm always motivated. It tells me there are still people in Nigeria who do not bother but to stand firm and say things that are wrong. It doesn't matter the position they occupy. I want to congratulate the Catholic bishop who gave the homily that we still have people like you who will never bother to know whatever. So I'm very happy to see people like that. Let me also use this opportunity to tell the national chairman, history is beckoning on you. Yes, they have said you are former Minister of Industry, you are former Minister of Interior, you are former Minister of Education, even Environment. You are former Senate President. But you have never been saddled with the responsibility of like this to rescue Nigeria. As a former minister, you were not given the opportunity to rescue Nigeria. Nigeria was not what it is now. And therefore, the battle to rescue Nigeria, the battle to change leadership in 2023 is on you. And nobody can blame God for that. Nobody knows why God said, at this point in time, you should be the national chairman of the People's Democratic Party. It is not going to be easy for you. I'm not going to praise you here, a man of this, a man of that. No. The time for work has come. And that is when we will know the experiences you have gathered, how you want to put it to rebuild the People's Democratic Party. It is very, very important. Let me tell you something. Today, we have lost focus in the National Assembly. And so you have to put our party together to make sure our members of the National Assembly speak with one voice and be the opposition party they're supposed to be. I will also advise you, like Bishop Hassan Kuka, 2 weeks ago, he was speaking, he was having a discussion with some of us. He said, look, I invested in Buhari to be president. The dividend I'm expecting from is not the killings of innocent Nigerians. It's not the kidnapping of innocent Nigerians. That is not the kind of investment he made, the kind of dividend he wanted to get. And therefore today, we believe investing in you, giving you support to be the chairman of our party would not be where we will continue to have depletion of our members in the National Assembly. We don't want further depletion of members of the National Assembly. We don't want further depletion of our members of our party. We want you to use the experiences, as people have said, to make sure even those who have left the party should be brought back to the party, because they know in sincerity there is no opportunity in that side. And so, Hassan Kuka said, yes, the mere fact I supported Buhari does not mean that when Buhari is doing the wrong thing, he will not talk. That means, yes, I supported you, I voted for you, because I have the belief you can turn this PDP to success in 2023. But if you are not doing well, Mr. Chairman, I will shout. I will say, Mr. Chairman, this is not what we expected from you. You know, what I found out in politicians, and let me also tell you, Mr. Chairman, do not be distracted about who will be presidential aspirant. Let them not disturb you. Go and focus and rebuild the party. Once the party is rebuilt, I can assure you, you have somebody that will stand in this party and Nigerians will vote for that person. What is important for you now is to see what you can do and be focused. Let nobody distract you at all. If anybody does not say anything wrong, the person does not like you. Do not listen to those who will come and tell you governors want to hijack the party. You see, we have a situation where we normally have a house divide and rule. By the time they are doing that, they don't understand that they are trying to kill the party. I have confidence in my brother governor. When he told us about you, we believe that you are somebody that can handle the affairs of this party. Mr. Chairman, sir, please, in the name of God, I want to plead with you. Do not let people not tell you. For you to begin to go to one governor's place or the other, in order for the governor's forum to be divided, at the end of the day, the party will suffer. Your business, if the governors are not united, unite the governors so they can work for the interests of the party. It is very key, and that's why I said my own speech will be different. You may not like it, but it is the truth, and that is the only way you can move forward and succeed in this party. I thank God today, and one of the happiest persons today, that a new leadership has emerged. I am very, very happy, because I know that if we did not do this, this party would have collapsed. I'm very, very happy. And so much of you who refuse to listen, that you have now realized that yes, changing leadership is the key for this party to win in 2023. And I thank God it is on you. I will continue to make sure you will do the right thing. I will continue to make sure you are focused in the party. I will continue to make sure nobody distracts you. I will continue to make sure the governors will give you the necessary support so that you can achieve. And at 2023, you'll be happy. To God be the glory. God use you to produce a leadership that will make Nigeria better. That alone, you can go home and sleep and tell your children, it was me that God used to bring leadership that will pursue this evil they call APC. Thank you, and God bless you.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.